telah dapat kerja. Kemudian dari buat COVID-19, mentah kesini aku tarik August haja aku hadu si berjalan sini. Kikis kita teman, kita bangiyo mentah kesini bilang kendai pulai. Lagi ni kendai pulai. Aku East Castles kita pendrew. Aku kita ni Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. South Sun naki way. West Garo Hills kendai. South napo BSF. Sun naki way. Ribhoy R. West Khasi Hills Shipho. North Garo Hills R. East Janta Hills South. But ki case ki belum aktif. Hadu mentah resmi si beji gilong si hajar live pesan. Nak ini si hajar live pesan. Ndrus pa ndrupu ar kita hapo East Khasi Hills. But nak ini ndrus pa ndrupu ar aspa South Pulai kita hapo Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. Nak iway South pa kat kendai. West Khasi Hills Arpupra, Southwest Khasi Hills Iway, Ribhoy Kendai Pulai, West Janta Hills Lai, East Janta Hills Khatar, West Garo Hills Aspa Khatsan, Southwest Garo Hills South, South Garo Hills R, East Garo Hills Lai, North Garo Hills Khatar. Kiba lari kawa mentah kesini kilau Arpo. Tapi ini ki Arpo Khatsan kidai napo West Garo Hills. Tapi kini Khatsan Khatar kidai niki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. Lai kidai giwai. Janta Hills Iway, East Khasi Hills Lai. Iway niki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Armed niki giwai. Drew. Lagi ni pendrew Arpway kita nak kategori Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. Shipho kita random sampling kita bangiyo nampak Clio. Kendai random sampling nampak Modfan. Kendai random sampling nampak Anjali. Iway random sampling nampak Police Bazaar. Lain kita return. R kidai ki influenza like illnesses ki report ki hospital. Pra kidai ki contact naki positive case ki bokher. Iway idai betray hapo Pulo Collection Center COVID-19. West Garo Hills, Kendai, South in category Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Lai, full body random testing, R kidai returns, Ribhoy R kidai returns, West Khasi Hills Shipho kidai napo Shalang random testing center, North Garo Hills R kidai influenza like illnesses ILI, West Janta Hills South R kidai returnees, R kidai high risk contact and way niki positive case ki baran rantai. Dan iway ibakhlak no menir apo civil hospital chilor e refer apo Woodland Hospital. But the details of Bakhlak, the details of the person who passed away. Ram Bashan Rai, 58 years, male, from Jhalupara cantonment area, who was admitted in civil hospital on 11th August 2020 after being referred from Woodland Hospital, and he passed away on 21st August 2020 at 10:45 p.m. The cause of death is acute respiratory distress syndrome due to COVID-19. He had comorbidities, diabetes mellitus with hypertension. Bakhlapna men de Iram Bashanrai San Prasna Mugarta Sandrang Napo Jalupara Cantonment admit i hapo civil hospital hakatway tarik u August Arhajar Arko idei bala refer napo Woodland Hospital ikhlapna haka Arko tarik u August Arhajar Arko hakapo Chipo South Sun Minne kadaw jong kuting khlap ni gadei acute respiratory distress syndrome due to COVID-19. Idon ru kiwai kijingpang comorbidities kita kidai diabetes mellitus but hypertension, high blood pressure.